This bold seagull decides he's just gonna pop right onto my hood and sit there. So let's see what happens when I honk. Oh, nothing happened, man. Nothing phases you guys. Wow. What are you doing, seagull? What the F are you doing? Just chilling there, bro. That's about as close. I feel like a nature wildlife film. Look, hello. That's about as close to a seagull as I will ever get. Wow. Seems to have some sort of twitch where it cocks his head in a interesting fashion. Ah. Wow. And there it goes. Goodbye. Wildlife is such a trip.